Your angel is speaking with you right now. There is about to be a significant change in both your personal and professional life. Now, almost everything you do makes you happy. Soon, a new chapter in your life will begin. You cannot halt its strong wave. You'll have a ton of good reasons to feel fortunate, and you'll learn to value the little things more. You are sending the universe a potent signal. Embrace your angel and let the cosmos and your angel to entirely redesign your journey. The upcoming adjustments are already on your mind. As you develop into the person you've always imagined you'd be, things will only get better from this point forward. Prepare for the sound of a bell. Your angel is giving you wings to fly. Keep shining. Your quality of life will greatly improve. Have you prepared to claim this? Type 1111.